Hey, what's up guys? This is Ash with the Case Theory. Today we're taking a look at the impact cases from Casetify. This brand needs very minimal introduction, as I'm sure a lot of you out there have heard of Casetify. They're basically a platform that encourages creativity and self-expression through their customizable cases. What makes them truly stand out is the ability to reach out to millennials and attract the attention of famous influencers on social media. This is mainly due to their fresh and awesome designs, which are constantly relevant and updated. If you guys are true fans of Stranger Things like us, you would be thrilled to know that they recently collaborated to produce some extremely cool designs that made us join the waiting list. When unboxing cases, the first thing that will leave an impression on you would be the box itself, which normally you could tell if the item has quality or just something completely underwhelming. The white packaging from Casetify gave a pretty unique vibe because it is exceptionally clean, except for the brand's newly redesigned name printed on the front. This is actually quite smart because now we have nothing to judge except for the case itself. Using the white box actually worked because it made the cow print pop right out of the box. The colors are extremely lively with the pure black contrasting against the intense white color. There is a slight texture on the print which might be useful to prevent scratches. Also worth mentioning is the brand's name that is printed in ultra small font which surrounds the camera lens area, making it look more like a design rather than an unappreciated obtrusive branding. One of the key features of the impact cases would be their 6.6 feet drop protection. The white gel on the interior of the case circumference is actually a shock absorbing material which they call it Chi-Tech. It makes the case durable while having a slim and lightweight construction. Unless you have extreme butterfingers, it is not that easy to drop your phone with the case on because the TPU lining also adds to the grip and provides a very nice overall hand feel. Talking about hands, this case is coated with Defensify antimicrobial gel, which according to Casetify can eliminate 99% of bacteria. If you're the kind who enjoys the company of your iPhone during visits to the toilet, you might just have found the perfect case for yourself. By the way, just like the iPhone itself, which is constructed by recyclable materials, Casetify cases are made with 50% recycled PC materials by weight, printed with eco-friendly ink, and packaged in 100% recyclable material. It's always good to see brands doing their bit to care for the environment. Although it is super easy to snap the case right on and to remove it from the iPhone, it somehow feels like a second skin if not for the slightly thick TPU lining surrounding the circumference. The case has a comfortable but firm fit on the iPhone 12. The volume buttons are tactile and fully covered with the mute switch toggle area exposed and easily reachable. The lip surrounding the screen is nicely raised, which gives the iPhone a sufficient lay-on-table protection. Although the lightning port area is conveniently exposed at the bottom, they're far from the surface thanks to the thick TPU that surrounds the cutouts. Just in case you're wondering, we are using the Whitestone Dome Screen and Lenses Protector, which is known to provide the best clarity for the ultimate viewing experience. We will include the link in the box in case you guys want to try it out for yourself. It is actually pretty amazing how the camera lips remains flushed even with the lens protector installed. Before moving on to the MagSafe test, let's take a quick look at some other designs that Casetify sent us today. For the iPhone 12 Pro Max impact case, we have the camo print which has an overall grayish tone and slight rugged look mainly due to the black TPU lining. If the yellowing of the white TPU over time happens to be one of your concerns, getting this version would be a better idea. For those who likes to keep it simple, you can have your initials printed on the transparent case for a more personalized look like this one here. There is a 12 characters limit that you can have on your case which you're able to customize on the color, font, and even the orientation. Now it's time for the MagSafe test. As the cases are relatively thin, the MagSafe charger attaches easily onto the back of the iPhone. Therefore, we can safely conclude that the impact case is MagSafe compatible. Let us now proceed to the TCT case score to see if this might be the ultimate case that meets all the important criteria that makes a great case. In terms of design, the case deserves an impeccable 5 out of 5. Besides the endless design options, we are equally impressed at how they managed to make their slim cases work with protection in such great harmony. In terms of protection, The case also deserves nothing short of 5/5. Casetify takes their drop protection seriously and have dared many to drop their phones. This could only mean that they have done thousands of tests and are confident in their 6.6 feet drop protection claim. For those who need extra protection, Casetify also makes Ultra Impact version, which has been drop tested for up to 9.8 feet. In terms of price, the case gets a 4/5. Although the $55 price tag might sound slightly overrated, this case is nothing near your usual silicone case. Considering your cases are one of the accessories that you literally live with, having the freedom to design it with such vast options makes Casetify a desirable brand to consider, especially if you do not intend to compromise on the protective factor as well. Overall, the Impact case from Casetify gets an outstanding 4.7/5. We highly recommend this case, especially for those who appreciate the looks of a slim case and likes the idea of having your style or what you're passionate about getting noticed. To be honest, we feel that with Casetify, there is a case for everyone. So that's it guys, we have come to the end of the review for the Impact case. If you wish to get one for yourself, click on the link in the description to get free shipping for your cases. We would also like to thank Casetify for sending us these review units and making the video possible. Now with that being said, this is not a paid review, so they'll be seeing this for the first time right alongside you. Meanwhile, subscribe to us if you wish to get the latest updates on our videos and giveaways. Thank you so much for watching our video. Till then, see you in the next one.